Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Designed by Kathy. Today we're going to be unboxing these paints from Hippie Crafter. The name caught my attention when they asked me if I would give these paints a try. So, you know, a child of the 70s, sure, I'll try Hippie Crafter paints. Anyway, I'm going to do a couple of pours for you today with these paints, and I'll let you know what I think of them. So let's get right to pouring. So I thought I would do a couple of pours with this new paint from Hippie Crafter. I've got my first canvas ready. I've got a layer of black, and I'm going to be using this beautiful rose color. We've got phthalo blue, metallic viridian, and metallic copper gold. So let me see how I want to put them on. I think we'll just do this. This is just right out of the bottle, folks. Okay, we're going to blow this out and see what happens. Wow, these are gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Really bright and vibrant, beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh yeah, I love that. I love the colors. Oh, those are so pretty. Okay, I'm going to get my next canvas, and I'm going to do a flip cup still on a black background with the same colors. So we're going to have two different techniques, same color pattern. So hang on and let me grab the other canvas, and I'll get that pour ready. Okay, so I put some more black, and I'm going to alternate. I want to alternate the metallic in between the other colors here. Not going to use a very big cup. It's a small canvas, so not going to. Ooh, pretty. All right, So we got that ready. Looks pretty. Actually, I should probably have gloves on. These canvases had a really nice texture feel to them. It says they're triple primed. Now that's just pretty. I love beautiful, gorgeous colors, and happy accident on the combo. I didn't use my Pinterest today for the color combo. I just like pulled them out, and I love these colors together. I think I should be called the messy painter. What do y'all think? Wow, I can't wait to see their dried look, because these are really pretty. So be sure and check below the link to the Hippie Crafter. Like I mentioned earlier, I couldn't turn down. I mean, you know, I was a child of the 70s, so they contact me. Just their name alone got my attention. But these are gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I like the consistency. They're good consistency. I've had some ready mix that are just so runny. These are just perfect consistency. I love them, and I'm so excited to see how these metallics are gonna shine out in there. They're beautiful, gorgeous colors. But thanks for watching this review of this acrylic pouring paint set from Hippie Crafter, and hope you all have a great day. If you're new to Design by Kathy, I hope you'll subscribe. If you're returning to my YouTube page, Design by Kathy, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment, a thumbs up, and tell your friends about us. And you all have a great day.